Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel. We only feature the latest and some of the craziest road moments caught on drivers' dashcam, and all the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of road rage, close calls, crashes and many more. So without any further ado, let's get this episode started. In our first clip, we have an angry Darren who was tailgating the camera for quite a while now. Note to all drivers out there, always keep a safe distance between you and the car in front for your own safety and for the safety of others around you. Cameron caught some crazy and unexpected moves on his dashcam. Traffic can be really scary at points, and by watching these clips you'll get the idea why. Drivers don't stick to the basic rules anymore, like stopping at a stop sign or a red light. Make sure to carefully watch some of these moments and try to learn and do better.
I guess you're going left then. Alright, good. Faster. Yeah, that mass hole is going to exit dive. Whoop! Ran a red light. Okay. Thanks, bro douche. That's for damn sure. Thank you. Fuck you. See the big arrow there, tough guy?
Making the last second exit dive like this truck driver will only get you in a lot of trouble. Please avoid this move at all costs.
Yeah. Next dive. Yeah. Yeah. You're a major one. Yeah. Yeah. Call that next dive. Why not? No. Hey. You went before it turned green. You couldn't have seen it turn green anyway, where you were. Don't like it. Well, how you doing? Shroom! I'm doing 60. Stop. You were in the red light. That was cut off.
It almost came to a crash on the road, and all because one driver was behaving as if he owns it. Never change lanes without indicating and checking your mirrors. Be patient and more mindful of others around you.
Tough guy! Run the right on red. Good job. You're in the red. Yeah, kind of a cutoff and did stuff with a stop sign. Okay. Like fast. See the yellow line? It's over there. Don't hit me, dude. Don't cut her off. Thank you.
Hey, Russell Skinner, thank you.
Skinner, thank you.
Crazy. Those are the ones that get in an accident. Zigzagging between cars like that.
Right? Don't touch me.
Do not approach a vehicle and start recording us,
Don't
right?
touch me. Now you're impeding my movement.
Wow.
You want to apologize for touching me, tough guy?
Whenever you're speeding on the road, you're bound to cause an accident sooner or later. Especially if the traffic is congested like this situation here. We would never advise you to break the speed limit. Unfortunately, the driver who was speeding learned that lesson the hard way.
You can only use a small percentage of the total number of muscle fibers.
Any muscles, really.
Then what the
Just ran me over. I guess I'm out of the road.
if you can utilize the
What the bro?
in your thighs.
With this clip we reach the end of yet another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you enjoy watching and learning something from all the mistakes you saw. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the chance to do it? If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to click the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content I put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open.